Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so I'm doing this video on TPMS issues and TPMS sensors, TPMS light issues. Now, if you guys have a TPMS light, let me give you a little bit of background of why that light is on. It's probably because either one or multiple TPMS sensors on your tires, and the TPMS sensors on your tires actually is connected wirelessly to your car's computer to let your car know what air pressure the tires are at. Now, if any of those sensors, the battery goes bad, normally you have to change it out once every 10 years, or B, if you have your tires switched around, rotated, or C, you have a damaged TPMS sensor, you're gonna have that light come on for the most part. Or if there's if the computer, if your car's computer reads that it cannot read your TPMS sensor for whatever reason, that light is gonna come on. Now, if you guys have that light, let me tell you, it's not gonna keep you from passing inspection. All right, that light is only there to tell you that your tire pressure is low, or your tire, your TPMS sensor is malfunctioning, or there's no connection there. Sometimes, on a rare occasion, for whatever reason, you might have a wireless disconnect where your computer cannot read the TPMS sensor, and that light will come on. It's not the most. It's not there for safety reasons. That's not part of the inspection process to pass inspection, but it bothers some people. It bothers me. I don't like it when I see lights on my dash, check engine lights, TPMS lights, regardless of whether I'm getting any kind of negative issues with my vehicle. Sometimes you have a TPMS light on because your tire pressure is 5 psi or 4 psi is below what's specified in your car's computer. Now, let me tell you guys something as far as clearing that TPMS light. Some vehicles do have a button to reset the TPMS light. Now, normally you want to know what the issue is. Now, if your issue is because your tire is low on air, then yes, you can reset it. However, if your issue is the TPMS light is caused by a malfunction TPMS, TPMS with a bad battery, a battery is about to go out, TPMS that's where the tire has been switched, you either want to get the TPMS changed, get it changed, get the have the right tires, have the tires rotated back to where they were. Or if you can't, because you already had the tires rotated and you can't do that, I'm going to tell you what an easy way that you guys can the easiest way you guys can reset it and get the light off your dash, especially if you guys do not have a reset button. If you guys have a reset button on your vehicles, and some vehicles do have reset buttons, but I don't think most vehicles have reset buttons, and the only reason why is because the dealerships will charge you they'll charge you a lot to change to reset the light. Hundreds of dollars to reset the light, and you're lucky if they don't get you on TPMS has issues, or you need to change TMS. It could range to $1,000 if you guys get the tires changed out. That's why these days there's no TPMS reset button in your vehicles, because if there was, then they wouldn't be able to make money off of this whole entire which something that should be an easy fix, an easy reset, and something that should be is something that's just an innocuous reset of the it's not even a system. I don't even want to call it a system. All right, it is what it is as far as this is concerned. Now, there are, if you guys look online, in the videos, all right, there are different ways to reset it. You could reset it with the button, as I mentioned. You can reset it with a tool. You can reset it with doing a hack. I've seen hacks where the pretty difficult. All right, if I had to think about the reset situation without a button, very time consuming. I've seen videos where certain cars you'd have to get each tire, 4 tires. You gotta reset 4 tires on a specific tire air pressure, and those air pressures are all different. Then what you need to do is you need to take a panel off inside the vehicle, take the plug out, and then you're gonna push a metal thing into the plug, and then you're gonna ground it 5 times. Very, very difficult. I'm going to tell you what the easiest way to do it. All right. What you guys are looking at here is this tool on Amazon. $10. $10. It'll get to you within a day. $10. You don't need to, first of all, if you just have tire pressure issues as far as air pressure is concerned, normally if you set to right pressure and then drive it, normally you should be able to get the light off. The car should read that the tire is at the right pressure. A lot of people who have TPMS issues have issues with the TPMS battery dying or being dead, the TPMS being damaged, their tires changed up. All right. Obviously, if you have a TPMS with a bad battery, you're gonna have to change it. If you have a TPMS that is malfunctioning or has issues, you're gonna have to change it. If you swap out their tires, you can definitely use this tool. All right. First thing is you want to prepare the issue, replace TPMS, or if you just swapped out the tires, either yourself or at the shop. The shops these days, if you go to a non-dealership shop to swap out the tires and you need the TPMS redone, it's about $100, I believe. It's about $100. But you can get this TPMS tool at Amazon for $10, and you could do it yourself in less than a minute. You don't need to do anything but go around the 4 tires, hit the button, put your car in TPMS learning mode, hit the button on all 4 tires, hit the button again. 3 beeps later, it's all reset. You don't have to work around. You don't need to have any other skills besides pushing a button. And this is the easiest way. And you guys might be complaining about this vehicle, about why why you wouldn't want to go and ground your wires 5 times and reset your tires, set your tires to 4 different air pressure and 4 different air pressures on each tire, and take a plug out, ground it 4 times, and perhaps shorting out something. This is the easiest way to do it. Easiest way to do it, guys. All right. No, you should have no thoughts about using this instead of going to the dealer and having them charge you $300, $400, $500 to reset it, and then risking them lying to you about your TPMS sensors that needing to be replaced, or going to the shop and spending $100 to do it. This costs you $10 in 1 minute, and you always have this around for future use. All right, guys. So hope this has helped you guys out with your issues. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time. All right, guys. Take care.